What's going on, guys, and welcome back to Drive New Hampshire. Today I'm going to show you how to take the back of your Jeep from this to this with these LiteWay LED taillights. Alright, so the first thing you got to do, remove these two Phillips bits on the innermost part of the Jeep. They should be on there very tight. Come right out. Don't lose those because you're going to have to reuse them. Next you're going to take the tail light, push it inwards, and it pops right out. Rest that on the body of the Jeep. Yeah, all you got to do, push down the connector, pull it out, you have the taillight assembly out. When you pull the taillight out of the box, to find out which side is the right hand or the left hand side, you'll see a little plastic engraving that says LH or RH. LH is left hand, RH is right hand. You'll also have this resistor that's hanging out. You'll need to get the mounting bracket out of the box along with the two little screws and bolts and mount those two together like so. Okay, so you're going to take the mounting bracket, take the resistor, line up the bolt holes like so, and then I'm going to take the microscopic hardware that they give you, the bolt, and the tiny little screw. Afterwards, we'll get one started. Okay, so once you have the resistor attached to its bracket, you're going to take that, you're going to mount it to this piece of sheet metal on the inside of the Jeep. Next, you're going to take the wiring harnesses, plug it in the old harness of the Jeep, tuck that in there, put the taillight on level, slide it outwards, and it locks into place just like that. Next, you're going to take your factory screws, put in the same two slots you took them out of. You want to tighten them up firmly, but not too much because you can crack the plastic of the taillight housing. Make sure those are nice and snug and even. Time to test them. Then you just want to check both sides, make sure your blinkers work, make sure the brake lights work, make sure your reverse lights work. I want to thank you all very much for watching. As you saw, this install took maybe 5 minutes each side. I didn't show doing the other side, but it's the exact same installation process as the left side. You can check out these taillights in the link in the description below. I will see you guys in the next video. Happy motoring.